Hey, this is what we saw this morning. Oh, this happened at Delta State.
Oh.
We discovered that after eating yesterday night, they couldn't wake up.
Oh.
Hey! Because of war gecko. War gecko enter their food. Oh. This thing is too dangerous to human health. Oh. See the war gecko inside the pot of soup they ate. See the war gecko. Everybody should be careful. Cover your food very well. Oh, see them. See them. Oh.
Hey!
This animal is too dangerous. So we go forward to save life to your loved ones, your relations, and your friends. Cover your food very well. Cover your food very well.
Children.
Cover your food very well. Oh. This is too dangerous to human head. See them. See them. See them. Person picking lying lifeless.